Hi guys, welcome to another video on the Foxtecc YouTube channel. This time we talk about Audible. The topic for today is how do you download books? And the first thing which you may mean by that is how you can download it generally to use it actually on an iPhone and to listen to it. And the second option would be to download it for offline use, right? So let me just begin by the offline thing. So you open up the Audible app, make sure that you are logged in and everything is set up properly. If you have a book already purchased and you want to download it for offline use, just go to the library like this, and the first one is already downloaded. The second one is not, so you can notice it by the downwards arrow. You can see it right here. So this book is not downloaded for offline, so I just can click on that, and the download has been queued and requested. So it's going to take a while. Perhaps I can just check out the details and everything, but you can see that it has already begun with the downloading process. Now it's important to know that it's going to be part of the app and the book has to be stored somewhere, right? So when you go to your iPhone storage, if you go to the general section at iPhone storage, you're going to notice that all of the apps take up some space and the Audible is going to start to grow and grow larger. So right now it's already at 200 megabytes. After the books that will be downloaded, it's going to get way beyond 1 gigabyte. So you should keep that in mind, that this is how you can download it for offline use. However, if you don't have the book purchased just yet, what you need and the way that Audible works is with credits. So as you can see, I have 1 credit available. This is like a random book. And every single book costs 1 credit. So I have 1 available. I can just click on this button and buy and download that book. It's as simple. But to get the credit, I need to be part of the subscription. So I pay a subscription of about, I don't know, $11 or something along the lines, and I get 1 credit per month. So I can technically download any book per month using that 1 credit. So this is how Audible works. And it's really great. I use it all the time. I'm not affiliated with them or anything, but I just really like the service. So this is basically how it works. You should also know that there are different marketplaces, like there's the German, American, British, Australian, many different marketplaces for the Audible, and you need to have subscription on any of them that you want to use. It's not connected, it's all separate for these locations, so you should keep that in mind, but this is basically how it works. This is how you can download books from Audible on your iPhone. So that's about it, and before we wrap up, I need to show you this, which is the Foxtecc educational platform. You can go ahead and watch some courses for free. For example, stuff like the full course for Dynamic Island, because I believe people don't use it properly. They don't get the most out of their Dynamic Island. And also other stuff like video editing courses, in-depth iPhone guides, and stuff like this. So definitely something to pay attention to. For now, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you inside the school community as well as in the next future video. See you guys later.